It is the happiest time of the year. Order your Christmas hampers and delicious baked food from Baked Fusion. Visit our stores at Margao, Naveli, Fatorda, Donkuris, Varka and Chikali.
या वर्सा ॲक्च्युली आम्ही ते चिंतलेले की एक वर्स पोस्टपोन करचे म्हणजे हे वर्स करचे न्हू. And the reason was it was predicted that code of conduct could come anytime after 20th. So we decided like we'll have it next year. But all our members of this Para Citizens Association came and we had a meeting over here and they said that let's have this in a smaller way at least. And thinking that this code will not come in the next 2 days, we are going to have this presentation of stars and carol singing competition. Now carol singing, likewise our member said, Palkar said that we'll limit it to Kalangut and Sholim. I would say that let us keep carol singing how we have every year for entire Goa. So let carol singing to bring in the festive season, to bring in the festival of stars, to bring in the Christmas. Let it be for open for all over Goa. आणि आख्खे गोंयचे जितके यूथ आसूं एल्डर्स आसूं जी कॅरल सिंगिंगाक वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यांचेर वयतात तेणी आमच्या फेस्टिवल ऑफ स्टार्सान पार्रा येवन भाग घेवचे. एवरी पार्टिसिपंट ग्रुप वील गेट सम small little token of love, token of appreciation for transportation. Supposing somebody comes from Margao, Nuve, Betalbati, कोण तरी कोलवासून येता, तांकां ट्रान्सपोर्टाक जे पयशे लागतात ते आमी तांकां दितले. स्मॉल टोकन ऑफ लव एंड एप्रिसिएशन. प्लस देर आर एट्रॅक्टिव्ह प्राइजीस, मोमेंटो with a certificate अशें आमी सगळें थारायला दिवपाक. आनी ह्या फावटी फेस्टिवल ऑफ स्टार्स will be limited to Kalangut constituency and Sholim constituency. In a smaller way, let us not break the chain. Like keep a gap of 1 year. Let us not keep a gap of 1 year. Let us do it in a smaller way. Members of Para Citizens Association, and we have agreed to that, thinking that the code will come beyond 23rd. Because of code, we had said that this year will not have this event, but now it is decided to have in a smaller way. Festival of Stars, again I am repeating, will be limited to Kalangut constituency and Sholim constituency. And the other carol singing presentation with competition will be for all over Goa. And I request all the participants of carol singing to send us the required entries latest by 23rd morning, so that we can we will know well in advance how many groups are going to come, and we will start it sharp at 7 o'clock, and this whole thing will wind up by 12:31. I once again thank all the members of this association.
आणि हेची जे एंट्री आहा क्लीन सांगता की 22 तारीख पर्यंत कमिटी कडेन पावपाक जाय, कित्याक 23 तारीख फंक्शन हे. आणि ज्यो दुसऱ्यो एंट्री आहा हे जाले कॅरल सिंगींग एंट्रीज, आणि ज्यो एंट्री आमच्यो स्टाराच्यो आसतल्यो त्यो आमी लास्ट डे सुद्दां म्हणजे जे 23 तारीख जे कॉम्पिटिशन आहा तेजी सकाळी 10 ते सांजची 4 आणि तेजे पयलीं हे 2 दीस आहा तेंच्यांनी कॉन्टॅक्ट करून त्यो एंट्री आमकां दिवंक शकता. ज्यो बाकीच्यो रुली आसा त्यो सेम, वोटर्स कार्ड, आधार कार्ड कंपल्सरी आणि एंट्री कोणाकूच ना, एंट्री फ्री. तेन्ना सगळ्यांनी ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनाक येवपाचें. प्रायजीस हांव तुमच्या खातीर एकदां तुमकां हे सगळ्यो पेम्पलेट मेळटल्यो तर डिक्लेअर करता. ओके, सो केरळ सिंगिंगाक सेपरेट प्रायज आहा आणि स्टार कॉम्पिटिशनाक सेपरेट प्रायज आहा. सो आमी ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पार्रा सिटीजन फोरम तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव इनवायट करता. सगळ्या लोकांनी येवचें, पार्टिसिपंट जावचे आणि ह्या आमच्या कार्यक्रमाक जे आमी फंक्शन करता पर्रा, स्पेशली दिस टायम वी हॅव इन्क्लुडेड शिवलिंग कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. सगळ्यांनी हांगा येवचें आणि पार्टिसिपंट जावचे. थँक्यू.